First up, a drug company says it has a pill that cuts the risk of death from COVID in half. Drug maker Merck is asking the FDA to authorize use of its new pill after studies found it to be effective.
So what does this mean for our fight against COVID?
To be able to cut hospitalizations and death by 50% in those who may have mild to moderate COVID, I think that's huge.
Certainly sounds like a big deal. Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Mike Savino asked some local experts what we know about the pill.
So he joins us now on the Answer Desk. And Mike, just how big of a deal is this? What are doctors saying?
Well, Mark and Caitlin, doctors certainly say this is a huge breakthrough. Not only does this pill appear to be effective, as you mentioned, Merck claims that this cuts the risk of hospitalizations and deaths in half when compared to a placebo. But this would also be the first oral treatment approved for COVID to get that authorization. Other FDA authorized treatments require an IV, but this one can be prescribed for patients to take at home.
Now, Mike, do we know who exactly this pill would be for? This is something they're still talking about right now, right?
Yes, there's still a lot of questions there, including from the doctors that I talked with. That's something that's going to have to be decided by the regulators. But the doctors I talked with think that this is mainly going to be for high-risk patients, people who are over 60 and those with underlying conditions. One reason is that Merck still needs to build up supply. They're hoping that they can produce enough for 10 million patients by the end of this year, but they still need to build that up. The study also focused on unvaccinated people, so it's not clear how vaccinated people will respond to this medicine.